Okay, let's take a look at this inequality. So we're going to draw our river, and then we know that in order to get rid of this negative 0.07, it involves dividing by negative 0.07 on both sides. All right, so that means that we need to set up our division house. The first number makes it inside the house. The last number makes it outside or gets stuck outside. Okay, so we need to clearly move the decimal on the outside. That's always where we look. We need to move it twice, which means we need to do the same thing on the inside. We move it twice, and that means we need to add a 0 and bring up the decimal. So now we really have 7 into 280. So 7 goes into 28 4 times. And I need to keep going, bring down my 0 here, and 7 goes into 0 0 times. And so my answer here is 40. Because a negative divided by a negative is a positive, it will stay as 40. And I'm left with h over here. Now, if you multiply or divide by a negative number on both sides, you have to flip the symbol. So your answer should have been h is greater than 40. So I'm going to put 40 on my number line. Maybe there's 41, there's 39. It's going to be an open dot, and the arrow points in the same direction as my symbol does. So you see how it's the exact same symbol, right? And you just kind of connect the arrow to it. So when I come over here to do my check, I'm going to pick any number that's on the arrow. I don't want to pick the dot. So, this will eventually get to 100. I mean, 100's really easy to work with because all you do is just move the decimal over twice. So I'm going to see if that works. So when I multiply negative 0.07 times 100, it means I move it twice. I will wind up with 7, and it's negative. This little arrow, guys, means you just bring this straight down, and you're asking yourself, is this right? Is this true? Is negative 7 indeed less than negative 2.8? And it really should have been just less than and not less than or equal to. And the answer is yes. Negative 7 is less than negative 2.8, so I know that I'm right.